Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. If you want to make a super trap seal, this is the way to do it. So our trap arm comes here from the wall, and to get the dishwasher Y there, they didn't have enough space between the bottom of the dishwasher Y and this, the top of the trap here. So to make space, they offset down. Well, you can't do that because water flows downhill. So water is going to come from the top, and now it somehow has to go up here, which means looking at it from this side, you're going to have a water level going all the way across here. If water was going this way and then offset down, that would be perfectly fine. But the way that they've done this is no good. So our sink is up here. We need to have our dishwasher Y and then our trap underneath. The way I would have addressed this issue is with our slip adapter, I would have 90'd over. I'd have my dishwasher Y here and then 90 down into our trap, and it comes over. This would be called a running trap. One other thing is you have a short sweep 90 and a short sweep 90. You can't use these on a drainage system unless it's a dry vent. So besides that, you have this big area for food and grease to accumulate. And when I redid this sink, the trap arm was full of grease, and this is why, because of the way this is done. Guys, there is no such thing as a super trap seal. This is somebody that had no clue what they're doing. Maybe it was a homeowner that did it. Another thing that you notice is you've got a fitting 45 and a fitting 45, also known as the street 45. So you're making this bend even tighter than it needs to be. And I don't even believe that these two street fittings put together would be allowed, at least when it comes to bigger fittings here where I am. This is not what they want to see. I mean, it's not necessarily against code, but it's not an intelligent way to do this. So guys, if your trap arm comes up too high, either lower the trap arm, which I haven't had on the channel yet, but I do have a video of me raising a too low trap arm, so I wouldn't have to cut a hole in the shelf to get the trap to fit. Guys, I will link into the description the video so it's easy for you to navigate. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.